Thatha isikhathi namukele na-Este Coach emdlalo ku-Este Coach Podcast Show nje basathi-ke ukuthi imidlalo ihlala iminyenti isecithisa hamba kahle-ke emaqenjini ethu alakhaya kuyo i-last 32 linye kuphela nje iqembu ledlulile lapha nje kuyo i-last 16 iqembu le-7 lapha nje eMorocco nje basalibona lena futhi ngeminyaka yabo ngo-2022 lapha nje eQatar. Asithembe-ke ukuthi limaqembu lasasele sekusele-ke iGhana kusele futhi iCape Verde kanye futhi neqembu le-7 laseGibhithe nje bade bedlala neqembu le-7 lapha nje Australia kanti futhi Cape Verde nayo isenkingeni idlala nema-Defending Champions iqembu le-7 lase-Argentina. Sembe-ke ukuthi bade netimanga sibonile-ke aphumile amaqembu Falcons Algeria nayo iphumile emhlekiseni ikhishwa ngamagoli amabili ecanzeni bakhishwa iqembu le-7 lase-Switzerland. Sibonile lapha nje umdlalo walekhaya embolo udlala lapha eqenjini le-7 le-Switzerland ngipha ngokuqala khona lekhaya e-Afrika lapha eCameroon. Kunyendi-ke lokwendekako asembeke ukuthi amaqembu ethu aqhubeka ende kahle nje basibonile ukuthi kumatima kakhulu nabo nompempe-ke bekakhombisa ukuthi vele abawafuni amaqembu ethu alakhaya la e-Afrika kuyo i-World Cup. Sibonile futhi nibafana bafana emva sidlale kahle yaya for the first time kuma-knockout stages badlale abaningi-ke sibonile bafuna amaqembu lokumnanzi-ke i-captain ima-2000 esimbonile-ke lapha nje eRephael Mofokeng sothule elikhaya lapha nje eBelgium iqembu liqeda kune-League Saint-Gilloise ngilo lemsayinile lapha nje eMofokeng kanti-ke badlale abanye Falcons bo-Ocon babonakala-ke ukuthi bafuna amaqembu bombokazi bo-Apolis ngilabanye-ke badlali bangahle nje bathole nawo futhi emadlelo alihlade manje lokumnanzi-ke la tindlini tethu tekusakada sivakashele-ke nguPhenel Nkentshane walapha nje eNkomazi. Sembonile-ke udlala irole ebaluleke kakhulu kuyo iNkomazi Local Football Association ongusekretary aphinza futhi adlala irole enkulu kwi-RC Alfood yatiwa ukuthi Select Cup besibona iceza kuphela nyalo bese kwi-edition ye-17 iceza kuphela nje lenyanga lesibuya kuyo lapha nje yangoJune iqale kahle lapha nje nguMarch. Asembeke ukuthi into beqhubeka idlodlobala ikhula next year edition is18 sibonile lapha nje iBlue Crane idliwa amancamo lapha nje nga-3-2 ma-penalties emva nje badlala i-draw not enkundleni bedliwa iqembu le-Real Madrid liphindze libite ukuthi nje kaMhlushwa City Stars egcineni bangcaba nje nga-3-2. Sibe sikhuluma kabandi-ke ngayo i-Select Cup sikhulume kabandi futhi neNkomazi Local Football Association sibone irole yakhe la idlala kuma-role amabili ukuthi abe secretary aphindze futhi abe tournament director lapha nje kuyi-RCL Food lephindze futhi ibe in charge ye-Select Cup. Angithathe lesikhathi ngikubingelele ngikwamukele ku-Este Coach Podcast Show. Sibonge ukuthi namuhla sigcine saba nawe silo busy sabuka ukuthi kuhamba njani eNkomazi basibona ukuthi libhola linyawo lakhula lapha.
Ngiyabonga Ace iyakhula ibhola linyawo ngiyakuva lana usakhuluma nge-World Cup ukuthi asebenze njani amaqembu alana e-Afrika. Ungakusho ukuthi adlalile amaqembu alana e-Afrika but akadlali afika
besifuna khona
kulelo zinga lelo. Yeke uma uthi uyabuka ngase besina 9 or 10 ama-teams la qualifyile kuya kula 16 besina 9 i-Algeria i-Tunisia Tunisia lengakakhona ukuqualifya but uma uthi uyabuka ama-team ala e-Afrika ngendlela adliwa ngayo adliwa ngendlela lefanako 86 minutes ma-team ase-Europe sizowaniketa i-respect la ngasayideserve inyalo. Asibonge iMorocco ikwenda kahle kakhulu iMorocco iyakhona nami ngiyayihlonipha iMorocco uma singadlala i-open play
Brazil
uma singadlala i-open play kuyabonakala ukuthi lama team singawushaya le game lesiyiluzile si-South Africa duke-Canada
coach nalapho ufuna ukudefend ukhipha attacking midfielder ufaka Mbatha
bekungafanelanga siyiluze leyo game leyo ufaka 3 ama-defensive midfielders nethi sina into lesiyendako kahle umathema la e-Africa i-ball rotation nge-ball rotation angakusendela ukuthi but i-ball rotation ayiwineli igame at least uma uleader 2-0 1-0 ungayenda le ball rotation yakho mara kungu-not which means wena une-advantage yokuthi une-ball uma unale ball uyendana kanti libalulekile amagoli. That's why amathima za-Africa at least le season adlalile but ngiyayibona iMorocco yakhumbula kuse eKhatar iMorocco isetha yasibeka class 4 la lefike yaluza nanyalo yathembisa ukuthi ngafika ku-top 4 but le ndlela yayo lehamba ngayo itafuneka ukuthi isebenze ithafu kakhulu.
Singene-ke kuyo indzaba lesibitele yona-ke la sibonile-ke imidlalo ebemihle eNkomazi iminyaka wonke umuntu uhlala akhuluma nge-Select Cup indlela i-tournament inkulu ngakhona kuyi-season ye-17 ke le esicetha kuyibona nyalo yadlala i-draw not yaze yaqiniswa emancamo. Kepha nje sicele from ekuqaleni njengoba ungu-secretary lapha nje kuyo iNkomazi Local Football Association icele njani i-Select Cup especially lamaqembu maningi man kusinohluka kanjani bese agcina adlala lapha nje kule league ipha nje ngawe sicela lapha kule league yenu yenkomazi LFA kusi nihlo kanjani lamaqembu kaze futhi icala kanjani kusegcineni manasi asihlanganise amaqembu ethu onke bese sawahluka kube neSelect Cup.
Okay. Njengoba ushito bra siligama lami ngumPhenwela ngakaNkentshane Sibongo ngu-secretary we LFA enkomazi ngi-engine ngiyimilela ngidriver
konke kusebenzela intako
iSelect Cup Mr Ace njengoba ngikhuluma nawe i18 edition njengoba siqedza i17 edition i18 edition iqalile why ngisho so onke ama teams la kadlala ku LFA yasenkomazi ku promotion league onke aqualify kuso odlala iSelect just kune criteria le system lesisebenzisako le kuthiwa iquota systems sinema streams enkomazi la 25 streams yes na 25 streams na 311 teams kule 311 teams kutofuneka 64 yama teams uma streams akho sina 12 yama teams which means you qualify for 3 teams yangithola Mr Ace is 1:4 umna 8 qualify for 2 wema teams yes 1:4 qualify for 2 i-criteria yethu isebenza njalo aphuma njalo lama teams la khona ukuthi aze ayodlala ku la 64 njengoba ngisho ngithi njengoba sikhuluma i18 edition nyalo iqalile ngale quota system lesisebenzisako ngeminyaka athi kulama team lesinawo oyi311 kuna 64 leta qualify ngale quota system lesisebenzisako
sabona ke ukuthi iyakhula ke i-tournament and then bese lapho kuba nema preliminary round niqala njani lapho
ngoba ifootball lesenkomazi iyakhula kancane the more ama teams angeteka the more le criteria ikuniketa ma numbers lamaningi for instance last season besina 75 ema teams and i-sponsor sifuna 64 funa sibena lama preliminary rounds lama teams latodlala lato qualify la kuya lapha kulo 64 lama preliminary rounds ayendwa ngolama teams ngekhula kwama streams but lokho angeke sikuvimbele because kusho kona kusibhola senkomazi yakhulu i-LFA yasenkomazi iyo i-LFA lekhulu lakithi eHlanzeni region
ngibona indlela idlala ngakhona amaqembu maningi netigosi tiningi futhi kukhombisa kona ukuthi ibhola lakhulu indlela bayithenza ngakhona onke emaveyi bayidlala bo 3 copies kaMhlusha yakhula so then ibese after lapho kwaqala ke ukuthi hayi man asibe ne tournament lenkulu sathi ukuthi indaba iqala bencane ingcine seyinkulu sesibona ingaka indlodlobala icela njani bathi approach njani beRCL Food ukuthi man asihlanganise amaqembu sipla obheka community kube neSelect Cup
unfortunately mina iSelect Cup ngithola ihamba ngendlela mara wonke lama stages ngihambile ngike ngaba ngumdlalo kuSelect 2008 bengidlala kanye licembu lase Block A ngike nganominate nami kuba play of the season Block A Naughty Boys ngingadlala Block A Naughty Boys bengumdlali nakhona ngahamba kancane ngacoacha nami ngicoachile kuma teams khona lapha kuSelect nami ngakhona ngathi vulela la kami licembu ngaba ngichairman kude stage lengakasambe ngibe mdlali ngaba ngicoach ngaba ngichairman nyalo ngitournament director tournament kude into lengayadi ngeSelect so in short iSelect iqale kancane njengoba usho ukuthi nyalo sesu17 edition nyalo ibukeka i-tournament leseyikhule kakhulu sile kubo 128 yema teams sayehla kancane sase 64 siyakhona lokuyimanage yakhona kumanage kahle ukuthi le tournament ihamba izofika egcineni
and then masibuka kweleague yenu yeLFA so far kuze kusigcineke kuthola i-team asathi kusingima LFA kufuneka kuthophe i-team yodlala ku-SAB lesibitenyela ku-Hollywood Bets bese bakhuphuka njalo bodlala ku-Vodacom lesibite kusinyela mu-CP Foundation Championship because i-team kangaka nenda njani ngibonela nyalo bavetile ngasethi bakunema playoff nenda njani ukuthi inthole amaqembu leto khona kukhuphuka aye sinye stage from LFA angena lapha nje ku-Hollywood because i-team tiningi kakhulu compared to lama streams
okay into awuqala manje ama-playoffs wethu njengoba ngishide ukuthi sina 25 yama-streams 2025-2026 season sina 311 wema-teams siyoba nama-champions la 25 njengoba sinema-champions la 25 kufuneka kuyoba yi-knockout uma tinokhana kufuneka kusale 2 yema-team le-2 yema-teams letosala manje kulama playoffs ngiwo ama-teams latohamba aye ku-Hollywood 2026-2027 season
ikhombisa kona ukuthi nje kutough kakhulu and onke lamaye ayideserve nedinga inclusive lekufuneka kuhambe 2.
Ya kufuneka kuhambe tu uyakhumbula kusisila la neHlanzeni sina 5 LFA iLFA lenema teams lamaningi noma lenema streams lamaningi ngiyo inkomazi lena 25 ilandzelwa iBush ke yona ina 19 ema streams ina 237 ema teams kulandzele imbombele na 5 ema streams ina 33 yona ema teams kubuye kube Mjindi una 2 ema streams una 28 ema teams kube iThaba Chew lesekugcineni na 2 ema streams so ina 20 teams so in total ma LFA onga la eHlazeni na 611 ema teams LFA but iLFA lihamba phambili ngema teams ngiyo inkomazi. That's why uyibona kuba ihome of soccer leka Mhlushwa Stadium lenkomazi ipolo isenkomazi.
And then sibuke futhi sukela kuyo iLFA sisuke Hollywood Bets bese mabasuka lapha bakhuphuka bangena ku TP Foundation Championship sabona ama teams aqhubeka angeteka sibonile before licembu le The Bees ngelo sidlala ku TP Foundation Championship sibonile futhi lama emaqembu before bomlambo kusho kuthini lokho indlela amaqembu akhula ngakhona ngalena sibonile bozivutha before nenda njani ukuthi ibenele consistency ne talent sibonile badlali abanyendi bo Lucas Twala bo Innocent Mkhabela bovelile kuna kanjani indlela nenda ngakhona nele consistency ekhona nokuthi manifika ngale niyahlala nje sibone The Bees ifikile ihleli nayo lapha yakhicida futhi nebadlali.
Yeah, in terms kwema teams ukupromote ama teams senda right but umuthi ubuka ngema personnel kuma player lefanele siwakhuphule asisendi right sinkomazi angeke sifihle lokho sagcina ngabo 2010 iphambisa bo Innocent Mkhabela the time aya Platinum Stars kuhamba bovelile baya ku
Rose
kubogodeni Arrows bo Royal Idlis kunabo Sikhethelo labaye ku Royal AM kunabo Muphombebe labadlale kubo Super Sport few but sibe sesamasuka
lapho bo Lucas Twala bafana bafana
bo Lucas Twala kuqala yena Lucas Twala wabese uvulela bo Innocent kuyehla but sisomasidina kubo Innocent kude labanye abadlali lesibahambisile ngaphandle kwaSikhethelo nyale egcineni kusahambe aye ku Mamkhize ku Royal AM ngepromotion yes we are doing good senda right ku promotion because akhumbula ukuthi besine sininyalo ku Hollywood yethu besine Madrid ihambile nyale kumtsipe besine debit isukile kumtsipe ihambile ye NFT but ihleli ku NFT badlali basenkomazi abakhona but abasekho kulelizinga lebeli kulo kulabo Innocent Mkhabela nabo Mphombebe nabo Velile nabo Sikhethelo ngicabanga ukuthi discipline ne development yethu nyalo ayisafana seqaleni is.
And then okay sibuke ke suke lapha kuye iMusipe Foundation Championship isabona nyalo sinemaqembu la khona ku Musipe Foundation Championship sinalo iqembu le The Bees line support enyindi madlala lenkomazi silibonile before bathopa baye ku Musipe Foundation Championship bawina futhi neselati le season leyo baphinze bodlala na ku last 32 ngalena ku Nedbank Cup kusho sebebena kahle kepha nje musabuka i-challenge lekhona kaMhlushwa Stadium sathi ukuthi nje stadium lesikhulu esetiwako esiphethele City Cup but i-challenge asimithi ma standards esafa kuze kusuke licembu lefuna ngabe libalandzele abanyendi ekhaya ludlala away enkomazi ni LFA mhlambe inyalo ingikuphi nikunako ukuthi ni avoid lokho because ebalandzeli ngaba licembu idlala ekhaya ngicabanga abalithopile la season ngepha la season bese lwela izembe ngenxa ukuthi kune challenge ukuthi nifuna ndlule i-toll gate nodlala home away from home kufanele usinde home game.
Okay ngicabanga ukuthi benginawe kuma awards lapha na Umvile acting mayor akhuluma ukuthi angeke iphele lenyanga le ikaMhlushwa Stadium ingaka upgrade but uyathi nawe thina sima politicians but lokuhle
ayikhuluma
implementation ayikho but la ikhulumeni kukhona but angeke singijwele too much on that lokukhona bayi requestile incwadi ku-LFA ngisoma ngichamuka ngidala kuba requesta incwadi ukuthi sibabhalele incwadi sisho ukuthi i-debate siyafuna ukuthi uyisebenzisa lenkundla but is given Mr Ace kuyatiwa nabani ukuthi i-team yasenkomazi kufanele ukuthi idlale inkomazi imaspara ngilala funa avele khona assiste khona le inkomazi umuthi uyabuka sinembuzini stadium sineka Machekeza Stadium sineka Mhlushwa Stadium sine Drikopisi Stadium sine Mangweni sina 5 wema stadiums lesinawo uma siva bese sikutabana lesinye stadium ses6 lesta wakhiwa lapha eNkomazi lelinye lemaside because angifuni ukungena politically kakhulu but ngeopinion yami Mr Ace kusitane kuba na 6 or 7 yetimoto kube kungabi khona nayinye leto kuthatha hamba yokubeka eJozi kubhlungu kakhulu. In short ngizama ukuthi le stadiums lesinawo kimi are enough ukuthi singa upgrade stadium lesi1 kude simithe le PSL standard not ukuthi kudlala the basic kuphela nalamanye amaqembu angakhona kufika eNkomazi sinabo bokamhlusha Real Madrid nabo sinabo sibange ma teams la ngakhona kusebenzisa le stadium not ukuthi sikhulumela i-debates kuphela ayibuye imaspara wethu assist upgrade le stadium ikhone nayo kudlala i-debates nawo onke ama team aseNkomazi akhona kudlala phela uyabona noma kudlala iselati ngendlela qola ngakhona kuyabonakala ukuthi abantu baseNkomazi ba deserve ukuthi bangaba ne stadium.
Njengawe ukuzala ukhona lapho kule LFA ukhona uyi-secretary phinze futhi be-party RCL Food kuse-City Cup i-tournament director njengabalaleli nebabukeli bafuna kwadi ukuthi mhlambe nguphi lokushodako lapha because bayibona ikamhlusha i-right nguphi mhlambe lokushodako lokuthi ngakwenda ukuze ukuthi gcine sibamba lama requirement ukuthi ngagcina sey-right se-hosta imidlalo lapha.
Yeah, ngiyayiva i-question yakho Mr Ace kubafikile baka PSL ababathumelile lapha kuze bato assessa le stadium ukuthini lekushoda kulaba kubala kakhulu Mr Ace i-dressing room yethu ayikho vele tuku standard uyathi ukuthi uma ufuna kumitha lama PSL standard kufuna kube ne media room asisinayo ne doping room lapha asisinayo nemalathi wethu ubonile nakuselati lamanye ama games wethu siwajikisile kufuna abe sufficient enough lama lights kusima teams akhona kudlala nasebusuku nema lights ngicabanga ukuthi bangalungisa lama dressing room wethu nema restroom lama toilets abe right ngicabanga usema teams angakhona kuhamba yodlala uma ungakhumbula uke waba khona lomnye umdlalo lapha nakudlala sivutha ne Jomo Cosmos uke wadlala kusho kona ukuthi kufanele kube nema touch up lapha nalapha leyaphumelela khona iJomo Cosmos ngeligoli eCanzeni kora kusinathi inhleko ngepenalty ngicabanga ukuthi le stadium sishoda nje kancane nothi kakhulu
then asibeke ku ngalena kule maqembu lawo sibe select cup sibonile ke ukuthi yakhula kakhulu endlela ihamba khona kepha nje balandzeli mani sabona bachubeka basupporteka asibuyela enkundleni mani kulema players ladlalako ingaphi ma requirement okudlala ku select cup because besathi ukuthi i-tournament yaseNkomazi but mosabuka sinebadlali abaningi labangaphuma eNkomazi kanzi bafuna ukubenefit abadlali baseNkomazi nebadlali especially baseMpumalanga but nyalo mosabuka akusasibo sesibona abadlali abaningi lebangasiba la plus nalokunye futhi labanye abayithandi ukuthi ay develop nebadlali qhamuka abadlali abaningi ukuthi bayopika ukuthi bawine tournament ungathini ngaloko especially udirector ye-City Cup.
Okay kule question yakho ngibambe 2 emagama ngibambe igama le development le develop pheka kwabadlali baseNkomazi ngabambana lokuthi badlali labaningi ababe baseNkomazi uma uya kuma SAFA uniform rules ayikho irule letokutshela ukuthi ungaregister imidlali lo outside the region yakho there is no such in football awekho ma rules la njalo ma rules ayakuvumela ukuthi uregister umdlali noma ngaba umuphi umdlalo omfunayo uya ku Sundowns uyamthola umdlalo waseBrazil abasho ukuthi ba register badlali base Gauteng kuphela noma ngumuphi umdlalo once for into kuyendela a practical example I top goal scorer yale season ibe ngasina 7 goals
one goal washaya 5 goals
yes ushaya one game ushaya 5 goals wakuphi Garcia Garcia wakuphi Garcia
waseNkomazi
waseNkomazi waseBush Garcia uregistered tukwan uregistered to get the beats and the beats iya qualify United ukuhamba yodlala selati angeke uyimandate i beats usungamdlalisa iGarcia because Garcia kaSwaseNkomazi in terms of registration eSAFA uniform rules is registered is permitted to play because ungumdlali wane ungumdlali we beats so leyo is a issue lesingayi debate as much as iRCL amateur tournament but the amateur tournament siyafisa ukuthi ihambe iyobamba le standard saka PSL. Let's be honest is akusima sponsors la beka ukuthi i-team ayisebenzise baphi badlali onke ama LFA ngiyendile i-research onke ama LFA wethu sine challenge leyi1 i-registration uma ngathi mina hamba eBush nyalo eBush kune stream lesikhulu sina 17 team simkhulu sina 17 teams ukuthi bangaki badlali balapha laba registered bobani angeke uzokuthola as much as singafuni ukuyisebenzisa i-technology siyisafa njengaka Hollywood ukuthi umdlalo umfaka kuma isafa kuthi oba difficult ukuthi thina lento simanage going back to your question uyaye enkomazi kune Liverpool ledlala ka promotion ina how many players webadlali udongena ku system angeke umthole umdlalo weLiverpool uthi wena akudlale badlali bese enkomazi lo munye uyalanza lo munye akalanza kuba iproblem sina into lefine siyilungise manje kulungisa idatabase yethu once salungisa le database yethu siyathi kusunga yokhipha i-cut sheet yabadlali base Liverpool 2026 2027 season yabekisa itokhiphela labadlali but nyalo uma ungaya kuwo onke lama LFA la ka promotion usikhipha idatabase le team le angeke baze bakunika but ngalana ufuna khipha irule ukuthi akudlale badlali basenkomazi at least kungaba nerule lethi i-team ne-team ayidlalise badlali le ba registered kimi can be fair enough nyalo sikhuluma ngedevelopment i-development ukuthi kufuneka kudevelopeke badlali basenkomazi i-development Mr Ace iyafana ne-teaching angeke umdevelope umntwana ngecup game i-RCL knockout lo mdlali udlala 90 minutes angeke ukuthi umdeveloping i-development sifuna going back to SAF kufuneka sibe nema leagues e-development
Forek under 17
Forek under 17 lapho umntwana uyamdevelop umntwana umdeveloper egroundini awumdevelopi during game time iyafana ne-teaching uma ungithishela ufundzisa ngesikhathi se-period not ngesikhathi se-exam nge-exam uniketa i-instruction ukuthi name 5 name 6 same applies to football training umdeveloper umntwana ama-skills uyamteach uyakhona kumisa play techniques ball uyikhahlela so wenda so and so ku game u-implementa lento lomcoach yona kuphi e-grounding but not ukuthi udomdeveloper e-game ngase singase badlali bethu sifuna kuba developer ngeselati sifuna i-develop badlali basenkomazi ngicabanga ukuthi sihamba wrong into lefuneka yendeke akubiye ama equipment enkomazi kubiye kudevelopeke abantu angeke uproduce bantwana laba right ku exam ungasinabo bothishela laba qualified same apply na football kufuneka ukuthi kube nabo coach laba qualified njenganyalo sifuna kwendela SSD ube nabo coach laba tokwadi conductor lama trainings angeke ube na coach lotofika ahlala angaba develop labantwana angaba train labantwana yebo iselati akusiye development iselati is a tournament
and then okay kule selati cup njenge tournament director yini role yakho
mina i-role yami as a tournament director ku oversee wonke lama departments ukuthi asebenza njani wonke lama department njengoba ngingichairperson we-LOC i-LOC kuba na secretary loqhamuka kwe sponsor loku Mr Kenneth Phiri kunaba kamasipala bolochat kuna 2 lamanye ama members lasuka ku-NKLFA kunalomele sports and recreation loku Mr Zweli mina ku oversee ku director wonke lama department ukuse enda according yini
and then sibiyele futhi back ku select cup balenzele labanyenti bayethanza select cup kepha nje abakho hate man ngokusi ebabone badlali abanyenti basejozi ungathini ngaloko special sibonile neBlue Crane ilenza kakhulu badlali special njenganyalo sinawe mhlambe le question lebe bafuna ukuthi mhlambe udirector ubuke lapha vele bachazele ukuthi why select cup invumele ebalanzeli I mean badlali ukuthi kube badlali bangaphandle and also futhi nalokunye because i-select cup esenkomazi but sigcina sibona sebathenga ama-status bafika ngale basebenzisa igama langale kanzini ibendela ukuthi bathi khona kudlala ngale select cup
okay Mr Ace kusalati kune criteria lesebenzisa ngichazele ecaleni ngifuna ukuhamba nayo kahle lethi yona idlalisa ama teams la registered ku LFA level la registered to kuma stream ku 70 coaster system 1:4 umna 8 wema teams uqualify for 2 qualify for 2 umna 12 is for 3 umna 16 njalo kuthengisa kwe status kude i-team lengathengisa status without approval yesaf lokho kusuka kunegotiate kwema teams not kuthengisa kwe status njengoba ngishido ngithi le problem ayikho nema sponsors itukwema teams sponsor asisho ukuthi dlalisa abadlali baseJuice noma ungadlalisa abadlali baseJuice it's your right, it's your choice ukuthi usebenzisa baphi abadlali lo sebenzisa bona ka promotion or not. Going back to your question, ngishito ukuthi asikhoni akukhonakali lokuthi i-team njengoba siside i-database ngabe kune database yasenkomazi yale 311 ama teams ukuthi ma teams kule 311 la qualify now ma player lavumelekile kudlala ngilawo kude lokho uma kuphuma le rule isi register ama player lo wafunaka ayisho ukuthi register amadlali basenkomazi lo bafunako wena ungayolanza eJozi ungolanza ku same apply njenga PSL
as long tournament idlala
right idlale
ya meet ama
requirements i team ne team kude njengoba ngishito ukuthi kude lo fika minded khona ukuthi team register or register outside the region or register outside the Nkomazi municipality there is no such rule i team ne team I register abadlali lefuna bona. So uma ukuthi sina sifuna kuyibamba ngaleyo level yokuthi bakungadlali badlali maybe PSL or whatsoever akudlale badlali laba ku database baleyo team on that current season.
And then bese kubona lokuthi nema teams lamanye kunebalandzeli basema teams lamanye ayasasha lapha ngibale igama uthi ayafavor lamanye ayasaba noma benta kabi bana bavame kuyimosha le tournament nanyalo ampere bayimosha na final ke ngibale ungathini lokho mhlambe nifanele ukulungisa going forward sibonile futhi after the final ye Ukraine ne Real Madrid kasilenye team seyidliwe lapha kubona sekuyashashwana into efana leto going forward because nitini ufanele address idingamoshi idingathanishi le gama leselati especially ku tournament ekhulayo.
Okay, kuloko sakhondona kokusima team anga misbehave asikufuni lo but ku match day kunebantu laba assigned for that particular game kuna fourth official kunabo ref kuba ngibo lafuneka ba implement the laws of the games akusithi thina si LOC uma kuthi Mr Ace u deserve ukuthola I red card akusingimi lekufuna ngiyomnika red card ngireferee ufuna amnike red card kubuya ama reports kithi I decisions slides with the referees I referee nguyelo no final decision dukwelo kuthi uyamsaba yena noma akamsabi I decision funa ithathwe ngereferee not LOC.
And then since siyaqala City Cup ngiphi icembu leliwine kakhulu and futhi ngine question lekhona ba S2 bafuna basingibuta ukuthi Ukraine sesela bakhona kuyiwina yini City Cup.
Okay, i-team leyithathe kabili iBosfontein FC ithathe kabili iBosfontein FC lamanye ama teams afika lapha bo 1-1 afika lapha kubo top 4 iReal Madrid ithathe kayi1 yalokuthatha iKamhlushwa City Stars it's not Real Madrid it's
Kamhlushwa City team yinye.
Labanye bangakusho lokho thina kuma records uthathe iKamhlushwa City Stars not iKamhlushwa Real Madrid. Ukraine kuma records ayikho bekune block A never die there was no Ukraine bekune block A never die block A never die ukuthi ilandze baphi badlali bayo is their choice.
So as I say win vele Ukraine before you City Cup
ayikase win Ukraine
ngikhulumile ngibonile emphasi Mr Strong khasho udliwe ku final ngikhulumile naye le i-trendile njena le video yakhe leyo uthi yena beyisizini yakho ukugcina leyo igcina ku-City Cup kusasa i-break balandzele abanyendi abekho happy ngathini nje ngaye uletha nje kube ne-vibe lapha ku-City Cup.
Okay, umuntu nomuntu ne-choice yakhe le muntu lesekafuna ukuthatha i-break asimsupporteni simekela athathe break uma ufuna kubuya utobuya leyo ngicabanga it's a personal question nguye umuntu la ngakhona kuyiphendula kahle ukuthi why afuna ukuthatha i-break but uma ufuna ukuthatha i-break akusho ukuthi selata ngeke zichubeke selata yechubeka njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sina 311 ama teams 2025-2026 season la ready ukuthi atohamba ayodlala iselata.
And then sesibuka 2026 uphelile njengoba ushido secalile vele already for malungiselela 2027 edition yes 18 so far yini esiqayilinzela going forward next season ma plans emenjani nje basibona naye lekhulu embuleni lomnyaka lo nemali ingedekile futhi.
Yeah, next season besifisile ukuthi ikhule lesinothe kakhulu uyabukela amaboma Phillips games bayakhona kwabona e-TV ukuthi siyakhona kwabona e-TV ukuthi yini le endeke eJozi why
even chance bayinga leke bush
yes why thina singakwendi la inkomazi uthi indlendeka inkomazi simarket inkomazi nathi kubonakala ukuthi inkomazi ifootball yatsanza ngiletinye tetinto lefanele ngicabanga sesitart yenda next season but lokunye ngicabanga ukuthi kusese standard isecurity nayo ngilenye department lefuneka improve kakhulu security but lokho kuma stadiums ku-upgrade kwama stadiums akusiko kwethu kusele ngala kumasipala i-RCL yayidlala irole yayo namasipala kufanele adlale iphathi yakhe.
Yeah, and then before siseqoqoda nje kusela kancane before nje ngikudedela mhlambe lokunye lokubalekile about iNkomazi Local Football Association ekayi futhi ne-Select Cup as a whole mhlambe tino lofisa ngasuka tidlulisa maybe mhlambe zanga dithinza mara wena ubona usayi dinga ukwadlulisa tibaleke sibalandzeli batibukele batata.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi mise ukuthashe konke especially i-development sine mandate lesuka ku president wethu Kaizer ukuthi i-development enkomazi isalele emuva so siqala le development yethu but at least lapha kule tournament yethu kusela yathi sinawo under 17 lokube iladlalile nawo bloksi Junior Bucks Juventus I'm sorry ngiyole bema champions kuma ladies sikumanzali youngsters ladies nabo yeah ithatha kayi4 babe khona but let development in terms of the leagues ayikho kulelo zinga lelo so ngilapho ngicabanga sikufuna ukuthi improve khona mara kula ma teams aka promotion sisahamba right.
And also futhi ungathini nge-development ye-football bumake inkomazi especially strikers le benaka khona sibonile ukuthi badlali abanyendi bakhona national team yama 20 from inkomazi kusho ukuthini lokho enibaphasi be-LFA inkomazi.
Yeah, so kuyasijabulisa lokho i-Super Strikers wakhumbula ukuthi buya kama playoffs A2 national playoffs A2 shoda nje kancane ukuthi sihambe siyongena khelo mara ngiyathemba ukuthi le season sizohamba siyongena into lesele i-competition lengasinayo Super Strikers i-competition lengasinayo i-youngsters lethi siyafisa kulamanye ama teams beyikhona injeyeza mara ihamba nayo iphelela amandla beyikhona i-The Rockets ye3 nayo ihamba iphelela amandla yini inzaba is because i-support ayikho kahle ma sponsors awekho kahle labantu basebenzisa imali tabo tasemaphakethini tebantwana ngiyo into leyenda ku football yethu ingakhuphuki ngaleyo ndlela uyayibona nakumtsipho kusukwendekalana ngesizini kuphuma i-team nakhona lapho akuna support yakhumbula 2024 2025 baphuma bo Apollo baphuma bo MP Academy na last season bazama ukukhathala ama streams but still kuyafana iphumile sivutha iphumile iphuthi noma bangawenda njani is as long as kunama sponsors duke football store lokuhlala sinema challenges nema problems.
Yeah, nehlanzeni yaphuma and then before sigoqoda futhi i-Select Cup ichithe abadlali abanyendi just mention just a few so that balandzeli bathi ukuthi badlali lebadumile lebabuya Select Cup especially kwatiwa kakhulu iNsonto eMkhabela kepha nje labanyenti ngababala lebakhicitwe Select Cup sibabona badlala kuMsipe nabo PSL.
Yeah, sinabo boMuphombebe njengoba ngishito ujikile ku SuperSport yakhumbula kusibekadlala kuboMananga Royal City sinabo bovelile bovelile Zitha naye bekadlala ngala kubo Blue Baits sinabo Deco Mkhabela naye bekadlala naye udlalile nayo lapha na kuselati na Blue Baits baningi badlala bosikhethelo nayo nyakhumbula kusimanje ukudebate nyalo ku NFT baningi badlalile bakhiphile nge-RCL njengoba ngishito ukuthi le passion ayisekho kahle lapha ku development yethu ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sikhuluma nge-development developeka kwalabo coach kungakhona lokusinetha ukuthi ibhola yethu iphindze ibiyele lebe khona.
Yeah, sesigoqoda ungathini nje ngelicembu la ekhaya lesenkomazi iNaste Bees isizini yabokuqala azange benda kahle baze kusere kancane baphume yini nje lingaba sita ngayo le season is 2
kuyi-1 lesingawusita i-debates ukuthi kulungiseke kaMhlushwa Stadium angeke udlale onke ama-games akho away from home u-expect ukuthi uhamba uyowina i-championship angeke
iwinile Kruger
iwinile Kruger nama-resources awafani let's be honest ma-resources akafani iKruger iduzane lekanyamazane noma iwinile but buka i-debate suka kuphi suka iNkomazi buka le distance ngicabanga ukuthi kulungiseka kwaMhlushwa mark my way ingahamba kuma playoffs i-debates or else ihambe straight ka PSL.
Mr. Penuel as the coach podcast show sabonga ukuthi usuke all the way eNkomazi udlule i-Hilltop nema toll gate utenga la to supporta i-podcast yethu siyabonga kakhulu asembe ukuthi ukhula umsebenzi wakho indlodlobale i-Select Cup ne-LFA yasenkomazi asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Ubonga mina mabrother.
Angibonga kakhulu besinaye ke umphasi ngalena kuyo i-Select Cup tournament director phindze futhi abe secretary ngalena kuyo iLFA yasenkomazi Penwell ngenjane sisathe sibeke la ngicabanga ke senivile konke benifuna ukwazi ngeSelect Cup nangenkomazi Local Football Association. It's the Coach ku It's the Coach podcast show.